Bigay ko to sa inyo. Pasensya na, konti lang to ha. Ta-da! Here we go!
There's the sign right up here.
Yeah.
I'll slow down.
Yeah, slow down because there's a sign. You can see the, oh my god. That's the sign, guys. Ayan. Welcome to Alfonso Brande Acacia Tunnel. Oops, okay. Oops. Here we go. Enjoy the view. Here we go. Enjoy the view. Wow, wow, wow. This is so beautiful. Oh my god. It's really lovely. Napakaganda talaga. Super beautiful view here in Palawan. Super beautiful view here in Palawan, guys. Look at that. Oh, it's amazing. Isn't it, Ron? Wow. So you can visit here, guys, and for sure you will enjoy the view here in Palawan. Because it's really beautiful and there are a lot of forest here, just like that. Oh my god. Can see it. Okay, good, good, good. That was it, guys. Hello guys, good morning. So ngayon, nandito kami sa Acacia Forest. Daming gabi dyan sa likuran ko, guys. So, hindi yan pinapansin dito sa Palawan, pero sa Manila binibenta yan, diba? So anyway guys, diba last week nagpunta kami dun sa bahay ni Lola to give some food for her, pero wala siya dun. So instead na kay Lola ibigay namin yun, ibibigay na lang namin yun sa ibang tao, guys. So samahan nyo kami. Papakita ko sa inyo yung view dito, okay? Ayan, nagtitake ng pictures sila. So tara, balik na tayo sa sasakyan natin at maghanap tayo ng taong bibigyan natin ng food. Nakakatakot lang dito kasi ang daming dumadaan ng sasakyan. Ayan, no? Tapos ang bibilis pa. Ang bilis pa ng takbo ng mga sasakyan. Hello po. Hi kids! Ayan, bibili kami ng buko ha. Ayan, ang daming buko guys. Oh. Parang alam na alam no? Ano kaya masarap dito no? Oh, dalawa po. Ito. Ay, ito po ate. Isa, ito. Ang piraso po. Dalawa. Tapos ito. Dalawa. Ito po. Dalawa to. Ang daming buko here, guys. Oh. Dito po kayo tinakatira. Guys, oh, bili kami ng dalawang buko. Pala yung isa. Si Mami dun sa ano nila, kumando dito sila. Ano po? Kumando, brother po. Kumando, dahil sa trabaho. Yan guys. Oh.
moments later.
So that was it, guys. We did it. We're so happy. Kasi yun yung ano namin, yun yung plan namin for today, na mabigay yung food na yun to somebody, which we did. Hindi namin yun nabigay kay Lolo kasi it's too far away talaga doon pumunta sa ano, masyado siyang malayo. Parang ano, baka ano doon umuulan. So very slippery yung daan. So dito na lang kami sa banda ng ano, is this south? Going south, right?
We went south, yes.
Yeah, so dito na lang kami banda sa south. Anyway, pawis na pawis ako dahil sobrang init, nakasakit. Anyway, nakasakit nga. Okay lang yan, guys. So, ayun. We are very happy. I hope you enjoy watching it, guys. And please, wag nyong kalimutan to subscribe me and share and like and comment below kung ano yung video na ipapagawa nyo sa akin next time. So yun lang, guys. We're so happy kasi yun yung plan namin, nagawa namin, and masaya si ate, masaya sila, and masaya na rin kami. Super happy kami, na especially ako super happy kung napag gano'n na kapag masaya yung isang tao, masaya na rin ako, gano'n. So that was it, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Bye for now.